I think our primary focus really has to be on the relationship with the primary care doctor and the employees that we serve or the patients that we serve. We spend a lot of time in recruiting just the perfect physician so that there's a culture fit for each of our employers.
The more times that patient has a positive experience with us as an organization, the more engaged they become in their own health. And ultimately, that's the goal, is so that they can learn to be healthier.
We probably spend on an average of 25 to 30 minutes with each patient. Sometimes we spend an hour with a patient depending on the number of comorbidities and the issues they may be dealing with. As a result, too, their coding is geared towards high quality and outcomes, not towards the more people you can see, the more your income's going to be. And that's one of the reasons why we have a much higher retention rate in our physicians than the traditional healthcare system does as well.
What I enjoy most about my job is probably just the one-on-one interaction with people and just giving people an opportunity to kind of tell what they're going through and tell their story. And then just being able to implement small, simple nutrition changes to help them wherever they're at.
The people that work in our department are typically fun and laid back. We're not a typical call center. So we have built up a rapport with our patients that call in. So I think that speaks a lot of volume with having that access to build a relationship with them and make it more personable.
One of my favorite programs that we have on Health Passport incorporates one-on-one health coaching, group coaching, and competitions. And it makes it really fun for employees to go in and compete with their fellow coworkers, as well as kind of get together once a month and learn something new about health and wellness, just to kind of keep it top of mind. Some people, it just kind of comes naturally to them, but sometimes you kind of just need that extra push to get people excited about wellness.
I did research on the doctor before we started seeing him. I've got friends within the medical community, so I asked about his reputation. He's got a very good reputation. They're top-line doctors that want to actually practice medicine. They want to get to know their patients, and that's what our members experience. That's what I experience every time I go.
So a good patient testimonial is working with a patient in Georgia and they will not actually graduate and leave the health coaching program. They want to have the accountability factor of continuing to reach their goals. They have lost over 130 pounds. Their cholesterol numbers have improved greatly. And with them meeting their goals, technically they have graduated from the program, and each time they see me every 3 months, they do not want to graduate because they want the accountability factor. So actually seeing them holding themselves accountable, realizing that what they're doing has improved their health, has really continued to motivate me within my position as well.
I was visiting with a physician the other day, and she had a husband and wife, and combined they lost over 100 pounds. And she just was passionate about the success that she had had with this family and how it had impacted their lives and what they were able to do now that they couldn't in the past. We have people that were sedentary that can now exercise, or we have people that couldn't wear a wedding ring that can now, or couldn't wear high heels that can now. And it's really about how we impact people's lives by improving their health.